What if everything you were taught about money was wrong? Not slightly wrong, completely, totally, backwards wrong. Today I'm giving you 5 money rules that wealthy people live by. Rules they don't teach in school, your parents probably didn't know, and most people will never discover. Let's go. Rule 1. Money is a tool, not a goal. Rich people don't chase money. They use money to create freedom. When money becomes your goal, you'll never have enough. When freedom is your goal, every dollar has a purpose. Shift your question from, how do I make more money, to, what do I want my money to do for me? Rule 2. Never buy what depreciates. A car loses 20% of its value the second you drive it off the lot. Most electronics are worth half in a year. Rich people buy assets that grow: real estate, stocks, businesses, skills. Before your next big purchase, ask, will this be worth more or less in 5 years? Rule 3. Your network is your net worth. This is the rule that changes lives. The 5 people you spend the most time with determine your income ceiling. If everyone around you is broke and comfortable, you will be too. Actively seek out people who are where you want to be. Online communities, events, mentors. Proximity is power. Rule 4. Invest before you're ready. Most people wait until they have enough to invest. That day never comes. Start with $10. Start with $25. The habit is more important than the amount. Compound interest doesn't care how much you start with. It cares how early you start. Time in the market beats timing the market, every single time. Rule 5. Protect your energy like your money. This one surprises people. Your energy is your most valuable asset. Rich people are ruthless about who and what gets their time. They say no constantly. They protect their mornings. They invest in their health. Because a tired, stressed person makes poor financial decisions. Protect your energy, and your money will follow. Like this video, subscribe to Rise with Purpose, and I'll see you next time. Keep rising.